What is CMMS? Let's explore the basics of CMMS in just 2 minutes. If you manage buildings, one of the biggest challenges is staying organized with maintenance. And that's exactly where a CMMS steps in, bringing structure and clarity to the everyday chaos of facility maintenance. A CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, is software that centralizes your facility maintenance activity. It's where work orders are created, assigned, and tracked, so issues are logged instantly and sent to the right technician instead of getting lost in emails or notes. From HVAC faults and lighting failures to routine inspections, everything stays visible until the job is done. It also manages preventive maintenance. Scheduling recurring tasks automatically cuts breakdowns, reduces emergency callouts, and improves compliance. A CMMS keeps records on age, warranty, downtime, and cost, helping teams plan budgets, avoid repeat failures, and extend equipment life. Older CMMS tools mostly stored information. Modern CMMS platforms actually connect information. They integrate with your BMS, IoT sensors, ERP, and other tools, so data flows in automatically, reducing manual entry and missed information. They also support no-code, pre-built workflows. Field technicians can trigger approvals, complete checklists, and update tasks right from their mobile app. This shift from manually recording work to automating work is what makes modern CMMS tools far more effective for today's facilities. For multi-site operations, real-time visibility becomes a major advantage. Teams stay aligned and managers get accurate insights into costs, uptime, and workload. And this is where platforms like Facilio move the idea forward, combining CMMS fundamentals with connected building data and portfolio-wide performance insights. We've covered the basics of CMMS in just 2 minutes. Visit our website to learn more.